Ever feel like you're stuck on the same level of life while everyone else seems to be speedrunning past you? You wake up, scroll, go to school or work, come home, scroll again, sleep, repeat. Days blur together like a laggy game with bad Wi-Fi. Your energy bar is always low, your motivation is glitching, and no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to actually change. If that sounds like you, pause for a second. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to level up in life quickly by treating your life like a game. Once you understand these game mechanics, you'll stop feeling like an NPC, non-player character, and start playing like the main character. Let's hit continue and jump into level 1. Level 1 is the character edit. In every game, before you start, you choose your character, their appearance, their stats, sometimes even their backstory. Most people try to change their life while still playing as the same old character. They say, I'm just lazy, I'm not a morning person, I'm bad at studying, as if those are permanent settings. But here's the secret, your identity is just a skin, and you can change it. Ask yourself, who am I when I'm at my best? Not perfect, just best. Maybe your best self is focused for 30 minutes a day, not 10 hours. Maybe they go for a 10-minute walk, not a marathon. Give that version of you a name. Focused me, disciplined me, future millionaire me. Whatever feels real. Now each small action you take is simply you choosing which character you're playing. When you hit snooze 5 times, you're selecting the procrastinator skin. When you get up on the second alarm, even if you're tired, you're selecting the level up skin. You don't need to magically transform overnight. You just need to start choosing the new skin a little more often each day. Identity first, results second. Once you decide who you are, your actions start to follow. Level 2 is inventory management. You cannot sprint to your goals if your backpack is full of useless items. Think about your daily life like your character's inventory. What are you carrying that's weighing you down? Maybe it's doom scrolling for 2 hours before bed. Maybe it's that one friend who always drags you into drama and negativity. Maybe it's just junk food that crashes your energy halfway through the day. You don't have to drop everything at once. Start simple. Remove one thing that drains your energy and add one thing that gives you energy. For example, cut 30 minutes of scrolling at night and replace it with 10 minutes of reading and 20 minutes of actual sleep. Or spend less time chatting in group chats that go nowhere and more time in environments that push you forward. Study groups, gym buddies, creator communities. In games, if your inventory is full of trash, you can't pick up rare items. In life, if your time is full of low-value habits, you can't pick up high-value opportunities. Clear the junk, make space for upgrades. Level 3 is the XP multiplier. In games, you don't level up by standing in the spawn area. You level up by going where the enemies are, where the challenges are, and grinding XP. In real life, XP comes from focused action, not just being busy, but actually doing the uncomfortable work that moves you forward. The problem is, your brain has been trained to chase instant dopamine, scrolling, short videos, random notifications. That's button A. It feels good now, but your XP bar barely moves. Button B is deep work. 30 minutes of distraction-free studying, 20 minutes of working on a business idea, a focused workout where you actually push yourself. Here's how you multiply your XP. Pick one main quest. For the next 30 days, just one. Maybe it's study 1 hour a day, post content daily, or go to the gym 4 times a week. Then create a simple rule for yourself. For the first 60 to 90 minutes of your day, no button A. No social media, no random YouTube, no games. During that time, you hit button B only. Phone in another room, notifications are turned off, just you and the quest. Do that consistently and your XP skyrockets compared to everyone else still stuck in the tutorial. It's not magic, it's simply fewer distractions plus more focused reps. Level 4 is the boss battle, resistance. Resistance is that voice in your head that says, do it tomorrow, you're tired, it won't matter anyway. It shows up right when you're about to change. Here's the key. Strong players don't wait for resistance to disappear. They expect it. They log in anyway. You don't need perfect motivation. You just need a rule. I show up even when I don't feel like it. Maybe you plan to study for an hour and you feel awful. Fine. Study for 10 minutes. Maybe you planned a full workout. Fine. Do 5 push-ups and a walk. Every time you do a tiny version of the habit instead of quitting, you land a hit on the boss. Over time. Resistance gets smaller, and this is just what I do, gets stronger. That's how you win the long game. So how do you level up in life quickly? 1. Change your character. Act like the version of who already wins. 2. Clean up your inventory. Drop the junk that drains your energy. 3. Hit the XP multiplier. Protect your focus and grind your main quest daily. 4. Face the boss. Show up even when resistance screams the loudest. Your new game starts now. If you're ready to stop playing on easy mode and actually level up, comment level up below so I know you're in. And hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next level. Game on.